Okay, so what do I have here? This purple goodness. What I have in here is 5 bananas. I've got 5 kale leaves. I removed the stems, 5 kale leaves, and about 1.5 cups of wild blueberries. And also I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, just plain white sugar. So I've got a hefty smoothie here. This is the 2 tablespoons of sugar are about equal to 1 banana each. So it's like 7 bananas, the blueberries, and the kale. So this is probably somewhere around 800-900 calories in here. So why do I enjoy being vegan so much? One of the reasons I'm going to explain is the other day I twisted my ankle. I'm a tennis pro, so that's not a good thing. And it was very sore and tender for 3 or 4 days. And so I was hobbling around a little bit, but this is like the 5th or 6th day, and already it's getting better, where I'm starting to move better. And that's one of the things that really helps you as a vegan. Your digestion is not sucking your energy. Whereas when you eat a lot of processed food or a lot of meat and dairy and cheese and oils, those things take a tremendous amount of energy to convert into simple sugars, which are here. So my digestion, I'm not sucking my energy. And then the energy that you're not losing can be used by your body to heal the affected area, in this case my ankle, or any other problem that you have, prostate problem, diabetes, whatever it is. Veganism can help. So it definitely works. I'm 76, still teaching. And I mean, if I had done this in the past, a sprained ankle, I mean, it wasn't a really bad sprain, but I twisted, I turned it. And 5 or 6 days later, I'm starting to move around again. But I owe it to the fact that my body has the energy to help heal. Now, as I mentioned, when you eat those other things, you eat a big steak or burger or a big pizza with cheese, your body has to break that down to simple sugars before it can use it, sucking your energy. So your body can't heal. So I'm very happy. This smoothie, I'm going to enjoy this now. And that's one of the things. There's many things, but that's one. I love the food. I love the taste. It's fantastic. But recovery is so much better. You look at a guy like Novak Djokovic, all right? He's still playing, what is he, 39 now, almost 40 years old. I'm not sure how old he is, but how does the guy recover that fast, almost 40? And he's playing with Alcaraz and Sinner, not beating them, but giving them a run for their money. So he's vegan, as far as I know. I don't think he eats foods that are easy to digest, conserving his energy for recovery after tough matches. Give it a shot. I'm telling you, I can help you with it. It works. Please subscribe to the channel. Post any questions or comments. I'll do my best to answer you. Adios, amigos, and fruit up. Take care.